Hello, welcome to my tutorial. Today, we are going to be going over how to open an Excel file and edit an Excel file within Google Docs, or Google Sheets is what we are going to be using. So here I have an Excel file that I cannot open on my Mac because I do not have Excel. But that is not a problem because we are going to be able to open it quickly and easily within Google Docs. So we are going down to Google Chrome, and within here I want you to type in Google Sheets. Sign in. So if you're doing this straight from the URL, it's docs.google.com/spreadsheets. So we are going to create a new one up here, a blank spreadsheet. And within here, we are going to file at the top left corner, and we are going to import and upload, and then here we can drag our file. My file is saved on my desktop, so you are going to have to locate your file. I'm going to go here, and mine is book.xlsx. I'm going to open this and import data. And we have imported the data. You can also edit the data as well. So if I wanted to add another record within here, I could come down here and I could type, let's say, 22 for age, and then since this is strength, it seems to be going up as we are younger. So I could type, let's say, 55, which would be consistent with the data. And once we've made a change, and let's say you have to turn this in as an Excel file, and you need it back as an Excel file after you've edited it, you can come up here and then do a download, and then as a Microsoft Excel file, or XLSX. And you can also do it as a CSV file, which is also an acceptable Excel standard file. So for now, we're going to take it as an XLSX file. Here we go. Here's our file. I forgot, we should probably name it. And if we do another download, and it comes. So again, you can also open this file again by simply going to import, upload, and then the file we just downloaded you could open again and then edit as well. As you can see, it's still here. It's the same exact file. So you can do a cross between Google Docs and Excel. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe if this helped you.